What's up, Faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. Today we'll show you the top 10 must-see AI tools that will blow your mind. From cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to mind-boggling neural networks, we'll dive into the world of AI to find those tools that are changing the world. Whether you're a tech fan, a curious learner, or just someone who wants to see the future unfold before your eyes. Prepare to unlock the endless possibilities of AI and gain knowledge that will amaze and excite you. These include every piece of software you need to make your own faceless videos, so pay close attention. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. The first tool we will look at is number 10, ChatGPT. We can't have this conversation without discussing ChatGPT first and foremost. ChatGPT is a fantastic AI-powered language model that can assist you with various tasks. It can give you knowledge, answer questions, develop creative ideas, and create a chat with you. It is surprisingly easy to use ChatGPT. Just type in your text or question, and it will come up with a helpful answer. People have used ChatGPT to great effect. I've used it to create new character classes in Dungeons & Dragons. IGN tells us independent developer Liam Swain published a project today where he used ChatGPT to write the remaining 2 books in the Song of Ice and Fire series, The Winds of Winter and A Dream of Spring. You can truly use it to write just about anything. Let's say you want a script for a YouTube channel. You can prompt this excellent AI to write a script about your given topic with the length you desire for your video, and it will exactly do that. ChatGPT has 2 levels, one that is free and one that costs $20 per month. The basic features of ChatGPT are available in the free version, which lets users talk to the model and get answers. The premium version, on the other hand, has better performance and more perks. People who pay for the premium version can get better results, and if they want, they can also use the more powerful GPT-4 models. If a person chooses the premium version, they can perform even better and use the latest AI technology. The next one is number 9, 11 Labs. 11 Labs is as dominant in the text-to-speech world as ChatGPT is in terms of AI content writing. This tool lets you make a voice clone or an AI-generated voice that sounds much like your own. This gives media companies exciting new ways to scale and automate content creation by using voices that sound very real. Cloning your voice on 11 Labs is an easy process. To start, you'll need to record at least 4 minutes of yourself speaking. Record and save a reading for the model to learn from. Once done, go to 11 Labs, navigate to the Voice Lab section, add your voice, and use instant voice cloning. Give your voice a name and upload the samples. You can specify an accent and tone. Before proceeding, agree not to use the platform-generated content for illegal or harmful purposes. Finally, click Add Voice and let 11 Labs work its magic. Once the voice is ready, go to Speech Synthesis and choose the voice you want for your audio. Enter your text, and there you have it. 11 Labs offers multiple pricing plans for different users. There's the free plan that allows you 10,000 characters per month of speech synthesis, but does not offer a commercial license. But that's only about 8 or 9 minutes of speech a month. The $5 per month starter plan provides 30,000 characters of monthly speech synthesis, the ability to create 10 custom voices, a commercial license included for the voices you use, and much more. I use the $22 a month creator plan, which gives me all the benefits of the starter plan, plus 100,000 characters of speech synthesis, roughly 90 minutes a month of text-to-speech, and more. This is easily one of the best text-to-speech software tools on the internet. Click my link in the description to try it for yourself for free. The next tool is number 8, Midjourney AI. Midjourney is a famous AI art-making tool that turns text prompts into exciting images. You can use Midjourney to make thumbnails that will utterly captivate an audience and intrigue them to click on your videos. There is no free sample for this powerful AI art generator, so you must sign up to use it. Luckily, their cheapest plan costs only $10 per month, a fair price. To get the most out of Midjourney, you should download and install the Discord app, which lets you talk to the AI privately. This streamlined way of talking makes it easier to see and change the pictures you've made. Before making art, you need to learn a few simple commands. Remember that every question should begin with a /. For example, if you want to make a hyper-realistic picture of a cat on a coach, you would type in a command like /imagine a hyper-realistic image of a cat on a coach. Within a minute, your first set of pictures will show how powerful Midjourney can be. Discover the endless possibilities of AI-generated art and unleash your creativity. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, Use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Let's look at the next AI tool, which is number 7, Synthesia.io. Synthesia is a perfect way to make videos featuring AI avatars. With this easy-to-use tool, it's easy to make Synthesia videos. Follow these simple steps to bring your AI-created video content to life. First, write a script for your video that explains what you want to say. Next, choose a video template or start from scratch to make a unique video. After that, choose an AI character to be the voice of the person talking in your video. Then paste your script into the platform and let the AI make a voiceover that fits the text. You can edit the video to improve the visuals and presentation if you need to. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to make your video and share it with the world. With Synthesia, making videos made by AI is as easy as that. So show off your creativity and capture your audience's attention with exciting and compelling video material. Synthesia has plans for various needs. Personal plans cost $30 per month. This plan lets you make a professional video in minutes after signing up. It's ideal for personal or small-scale video creation. The enterprise package is suited for larger enterprises scaling video production in over 120 languages. Contact Synthesia's team for enterprise plan pricing. Synthesia has video production solutions for any project or group. Moving on to the next AI tool. Number 6, Pictory. Pictory lets you efficiently produce excellent videos for YouTube channels, social media, presentations, and more. Pictory enables you to create stunning content with photographs and videos. The platform has over 4,000 unique themes and over 1 million royalty-free photos and videos. Start with blank canvas on the Pictory homepage. Choose 16:9 1:1 or 9:16 video templates for your platform. On the brand presets, place your logo on the design's top right. You can submit films and photographs or choose from Pictory's enormous collection. Add text, photos, and videos to the scenes. Animate size, color, filter, and position components in the right panel. Save time by duplicating scenes and reusing backdrops and objects. To refine your video, add effects and overlays from the left panel. Text-to-speech, voiceovers, and audio uploads are also available in Pictory. You can add background music from their vast selection and change the audio levels to match your material. Export your finished video in 720p or 1080p. You can then download and upload the video after a few minutes. To meet its users' demands, Pictory offers various pricing plans. Use our link in the description to try Pictory for free, or use the coupon code DEBTBUSTERS to get 30% off your monthly subscription. A free plan is available for individuals who want to try out the editor. The $23 per month standard plan is ideal for small enterprises, schools, and influencers. The premium option is $47 per month for agencies and bigger teams. These plans offer varied degrees of functionality and resources to help you improve your video editing experience. Another must-see tool is number 5, Cleanup.Pictures. Cleanup.Pictures, an AI-powered clone stamp tool, outperforms others. This AI-based solution can correctly identify what is behind undesirable words, people, or objects with just a few clicks, unlike Adobe Photoshop Fix, which requires a backdrop reference. Cleanup.Pictures lets you modify any size image. The free version allows exports at 720p, but the Pro version can process high-resolution photos. The exported images are constantly improving with time. This AI tool is free unless you need high-resolution image processing. The Pro plan starts from $3 per month and offers unlimited resolution and a high-quality refiner. The ClipDrop Pro tier is $7 a month and offers vastly more features than even the Pro subscription. The free trial lets you try HD before committing. The next AI tool we have is number 4, Voice AI. The Voice AI interface allows gamers, content makers, and others to create their distinctive voices or choose from a massive library of over 50,000 pre-created voices provided by other users. These voices can be used as is or customized to meet special requirements. Because of the versatility of Voice.ai, these voices can be used live on compatible platforms or for recordings. It's vital to emphasize that voice processing happens locally, ensuring privacy and control over your voice. Voice AI offers free downloads of cutting-edge voice changer and voice cloning software, allowing users to explore and experiment with various speech manipulation techniques. If you're interested in extra features and plans, we recommend visiting the Voice.ai website for more. Next, we have number 3, Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast Enhance is a fantastic beta version product that uses artificial intelligence to improve the sound quality of your voice recordings. Now available for free, this technology is essential for podcasters and any business looking to upgrade the audio material they produce. The best aspect is that Speech Enhance and Mic Check don't require any complicated sign-up procedures. You can easily access these fantastic features of the AI tool with a free Adobe account. This means improving your voice recordings and assuring top-notch audio quality is now simple. You can take your podcast or other audio content to the next level with Adobe Podcast Enhance, captivating your audience with crystal clear sound and an immersive listening experience. The other tool that you don't want to miss is number 2, Runway tool. Runway, an AI-powered image and video generator that makes the creative process easier, allows you to unleash your creativity. You can explore new educational dimensions using Runway's intelligent capabilities to generate media for lessons and educational materials. Despite being a large-scale AI software, Runway is surprisingly user-friendly and open to everybody. Go to the Runway ML website and create a free account. While premium versions are available, including Basic Free, Standard $15 per month, Pro $35 per month, and Enterprise Contact Sales, you can start your creative adventure with the free version. Runway allows you to plunge into the world of AI-driven creativity, allowing you to create stunning photos and videos that captivate and engage your audience. And now, let's look at number 1, Vid Background Remover. Improve your video editing skills with Vid's simple online video background remover. This handy application lets you easily cut out your video's original background and replace it with an image or color. You can even use another video as the background, making it great for creating compelling marketing films, advertisements, and promotional content. The video editor on Vid allows you to remove backdrops from your films for free. There is no need to log in or create an account. If you create an account, you can save all your projects on one accessible dashboard. It's a time-saving alternative, but it's completely optional. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the top 10 must-see AI tools. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to create a YouTube channel and earn money in 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to create a YouTube channel and earn money in 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.